Okay, this is force pull experiment. So basically, what I'm trying to do is I got water in the smart water bottle, and then I put a straw in between two bottles. What's going to happen is when I take the lid off of the Pepsi bottle, the air that is, hold on, it's going to pull air in through this smart water bottle. See, when I squeeze this bottle, it pushes air in there, and then if I let it go, it's going to suck the water in to take the place of the air that I squeezed out. You see how that works? So the air is forcing the water to pull inside of the Pepsi bottle from the other bottle. See how I'm pushing the air back in? And when I let it go, like that, it's pulling the water out. I'm going to force that air in. And voila. That is my force hydraulic system. Pretty primitive, but it gets the point across, I think. So there it is. Thank you.